Hello, welcome back to the channel. Many beginners believe intraday trading is the fastest way to get rich. Charts moving, quick profits, excitement all day long. I used to believe the same, but after years of trading, even though I was profitable in intraday, I decided to stop it completely. In this video, I will explain why I gave up intraday completely and why you should seriously think about it too. So before moving to the problems of intraday, let me share my real PNL. So this is my mother's account where I did intraday trading for an entire year. Let me show you the PNL. So from here, let me select the previous financial year, that is starting from April 24 to March 25. Let me go to the reports and then derivative PNL. So it will take some time because there are lot many trades. Okay, see, first two, just these two are the future trades. You can ignore this. Starting from 3rd of, you can see this is the expiry date. Okay, 3rd of April. So you can see the trades. Next expiry date, that is 10th of April. So and so forth. See the number of trades. So starting from April till March end. So you can see here profit. Profit from options is 2,35,000 and this is future profit on future, that is 8,200, and net PNL after all the charges is 2,19,000. This is my mother's account and I did the intraday trading for entire year, and even after I was profitable, I stopped it. I will explain you why I stopped it. And then this year I started positional trading. Let's see result of those. So I have selected financial year starting from April 25 till next March 26, and let me go to the reports and derivative PNL, and starting from 1st April till 27. This is today's date. Okay, and I started positional trading in this particular account maybe from August. So this result, this PNL will be starting from August, September, October, that is 3 months result. You can see this I started from August. This is expired date even though. So I started from August and only 3 months or so, and let's see the PNL, and this is our net PNL 1,08,000. So this is purely positional trades, no intraday. I completely stopped the intraday now. And here my aim is not to show up my profit or how much I am making and what is my percentage return on what capital. I am not showing those at all. It doesn't matter. I am just showing you why I stop intraday and shift to the positional. So consider this PNL as an reference point. Even though I was profitable, I stopped it. Now let's move and see the problems with intraday trading. Here are the reasons I stop intraday. First one is stress and screen addiction. No matter what, I have to sit in front of screen starting from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. to watch the screen. Even though everything was automated by algo trading, but still I have to monitor the screen because sometimes market move very volatile and our stop loss skips and it will be very disaster movement. I was making money, but end of the day, I was completely exhausted. So I asked myself a question: is financially free means sitting in front of the screen all the day or living life freely? Second one is brokerage cost and slippages plus taxes. So when I started intraday with that particular broker, that was zero brokerage cost. But I think at the end of the year they have introduced some cost per trade. If you add up brokerage costs, slippages, taxes, and it will be huge amount at the end of the year. You have to consider these costs as well. And if you are doing intraday, then this cost will increase. With positional trading, there is not much impact of these costs. Then third one is emotional roller coaster. I realized I was spending more emotional energy than the financial energy, because in intraday you have to react quickly, and one mistake market will teach you badly. And I was living with constant stress all the day long. Then fourth one, time versus money trade-off. Even if you are profitable, intraday locks in entire day. As you see, I have made 2 lakh plus profit, but to earn that, I sacrifice hundreds of days just staring at candles and staring at my algo how it is working. The truth is, profit was good, but the time cost was massive. Then what is the point of trading if it doesn't give free time? Now let's understand why positional trading make more sense. From beginning itself, I was more about a positional trader, but last 1 year or 2 years I tried intraday trading. And let me tell you advantages of positional trading. First is no need to sit in front of system. You just place your trades and you have your own time. You can have algos, you can put target, stop loss and all those, and travel and explore the new places like I am doing now. So you will have time flexibility. Then also you will have time to react to the market. So in intraday you have to react quickly, but with the positional trading you don't need to react at the same time, and definitely you will have less stress, more clarity. You will get time for other activities, and there are lot many advantages. Once you start building your positional trading, then you will realize your life becomes simpler, less stressful. So my honest advice is, if you are beginner, intraday looks attractive. Even if you win, you pay with your time, health and peace of mind. I'm not saying nobody can succeed in intraday, but for most people, especially if you want balance in life, positional trading is far better. Learn intraday if you want, but don't get trapped into it. Use it as an experience and move towards positional trading. And mainly, those were the reasons I stopped intraday and moved to the positional trading. I would love to know in the comments, are you still doing intraday, or are you thinking to shifting to the positional trading? And if you found this helpful, then subscribe, because I am sharing not just concepts but my real journey and lessons I wish I had known earlier. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.